Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to create a custom LCD layout using the Colorlight Universe series video splicing processor's web interface. First, click Splicing, and then add Screen Group. Name the group LCD Custom and select LCD as the screen type. For the layout, choose Custom, and then click OK. When you enter the LCD splicing setup for the first time, a guided wizard will appear. Just follow the prompts and click Next to continue. Click Output Interface, then click Custom Resolution. Here, you can modify each output board's resolution based on your actual needs. You can adjust the output resolution, frame rate, color depth, color format, and color gamut standard, and you can also view the pixel clock for the custom signal. After making changes, click Save. Repeat the same steps to set up the other output boards. Once all output resolutions are configured, drag the required output interfaces into the screen group area. Click on each output interface and adjust its position as needed. Follow the same method for the other output boards. When the window settings are complete, you can check the thumbnail preview in the top right corner to confirm the layout. After setting the output signals and windows, click Save. Now your custom LCD layout is ready. To bring the signals onto the screen, go to Screen. Click on the LCD Custom Screen Group, drag the signal source into the screen group area, and click Maximize to fill the entire screen group. Now, your custom LCD layout and signal setup are complete. Thanks for your watching.